Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by preparing the rear area of your Nissan Murano. Remove any cargo and clear about 36 inches of space behind the seats so the seat backs can fully fold. Fold down or remove the headrests by pressing the release button and pulling the headrest up and out. This prevents interference when the seat backs fold. Unbuckle seat belts and route them away from the latch area so they do not tangle or trap when you operate the folding mechanism. Locate the seatback release. On most Murano models, you will find a lever or pull strap on the top edge of the seat or in the cargo area marked for the 60/40 split. Pull the lever or strap firmly to disengage the latch and push the seat back forward. Fold the larger or smaller section as needed until it lies flat and you hear the latch click into its folded position. If the seat back catches on the cushion, tilt the cushion up slightly to allow the seat back to fold fully flat. When returning the seats upright, lift each seat back until it engages and you hear an audible click. Physically test by pushing on the top to confirm it is locked. Reposition or route seat belts correctly so buckles sit in their guide positions, and verify child safety anchors are accessible and unobstructed. Before driving, secure loose cargo, do not exceed the vehicle's recommended cargo load, and visually check that seat, latches, and headrests are properly reinstalled for safe operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.